goddamn.
What?
Look.
Listen.
She a red bone, MILF too, so you know I had to bring her home. Name Fatima, give a kiss on the truth. Man, would have thought shit was sweet. Peach Orchard, yeah, we like to beat our feet. Fuck no, this ain't 05, man. We just walk it out, throw a little cash when we all up in the club. Girls stripping, showing ass, so fuck it. AKA C, getting them ducats. And I got my
tough right now.
Why am I so tough? Yo, she asked why am I so tough right now. I'm about to shout out my man Danny on the camera.
Hey.
And I'm glowing like this, and I'm flowing like this. And you know, it's like I took a piss, cause I already shitted on you niggas so thoroughly. Man, I'm just coming through, this be my borough be. I ain't talking Brooklyn or Queens, but you know I'm a king, so you know I got a queen. Yeah, motherfucker just swagging. And you know I cut a motherfucker, I'm dagging. Yeah, motherfucker, I'm spectacular. Damn, Fergie, where you going, son?